Right, hello guys. It's another wonderful day, and today I'm just going to show you guys. Remember, we are continuing. We are going to continue from the last episode. Okay. Remember, in the last episode we spoke about bullish, all right, market structure. For this very class, I'm going to talk briefly on bearish market structure. Okay, so bearish market structure, remember I said, is when the market is going what? Downward. Okay, downward, downward, downward. Mark that word, downward. Okay, all right, so it's when the market is going what? Downward. So this is a typical example of a bearish market condition. It's when you have something like this. This is how you see it, like a downstairs. All right, like a downstairs. So remember, just like the other one, if you inverse it, you get the same thing. On each of these places on the staircase, we have a break of structure here. 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 Where else? Here. Okay, so basically we have a what? Remember, we are dealing with low, not high. The other one is higher high and then higher low. So this one is going to be lower high and what? Lower low. This will be lower high and lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high and what? Lower low. Lower high and lower low. Okay, so each low that goes below the previous low is called what? Lower low, because this low is lower than this low. This low is what? Lower than this low. This low is the lower part of what? This is a lower high because it's what? Higher than this low. So it's a low, but it's a what? Lower high because it's higher than what? It's higher than the previous lower high, rather. Okay, so that's how it goes on and on and on and on and on. Okay, and on and on and on and on. So in the bearish market condition, price action keeps breaking the lows. Okay, it keeps breaking the lows. Sorry, I made a little mistake on this breaks, on this breaks, on this breaks, on this breaks. Okay, yeah, on this breaks. This is where it's supposed to break it. Yeah, this is where it's supposed to break it. This is where it's supposed to break it. Okay, so this is lower low, lower low. Okay, so each low that has been broken, see, this was the last low. It was what? Broken here. Okay, it was broken here. Okay, so this is a low that is lower than what? This low. All right, same for here, same. Okay, also lower high, the same thing. Okay, this low, lower high, lower high. This lower high is what? Lower than this lower high. Likewise, this one, like that. All right, to the downside, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, so that's the basic concept of the bearish market structure. Okay, so let's move to the chart and look at that quickly. All right, so this is it. This is a typical example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, You can see it here for yourself. You can see it here for yourself. Okay, you can see it here for yourself. You can see it here. Okay, if you drag your tool here, you can see that that's exactly what we have here. From here, okay, going down, retrace, okay, like that, up, down, so you can see the impulsive movements and then the retracement. Okay, so this is your bearish market structure.